Good morning and happy home vlog. Got some real exciting stuff happening today. First stop, out in the garage. All right, today's the day. We're gonna pull this kitchen out, at least get it in place, get the tops on, hopefully get it painted. And if we can get to installing everything else, that would be fantastic. But if not, we'll get as far as we can.
All right, so here's the start. We went and we looked at it at the showroom yesterday, and I have to tell you, this feels smaller than it did at the showroom. And it's almost the same color as the house. We almost don't have to paint it.
Well, I was talking about that, but I do want to paint it because it's very rough.
Oh, yeah, okay.
So I want to kind of like smooth it out a little bit with a nice thick coat of paint.
Okay.
You know?
It's just like very similar.
Yeah, it really is.
Oh man, I'm so excited. I can't wait to have room in the garage again. Okay, and then here is this is the actual, where the grill's gonna go. So it'll be like the grill, the fridge. What is this, like drawers?
It's just like an access panel.
And these are the drawers.
One of them is like I think the little one.
Okay. And then we still haven't put the tops on the countertops. And then you're taping it off so that we can paint it the same color as the house. But it is very similar though. I think it's gonna be so nice.
Did I already say that?
I can't remember.
I don't know if I told you guys or not, but we got 3 hours of sleep last night.
Yeah, the babies, nobody slept.
Nobody slept.
It was awesome.
The best.
All right, and this little guy's gonna go to swim lessons. Are you excited? Okay. No, you're not sure? Okay, buddy.
And it's definitely a different color when you get the paint on there. And we can see that if I come around the backside, right there. Yeah. Even though when you're standing looking at it, it looked like it was the same color. Now that it's getting painted, two completely different colors. And it's soaking the paint top. Look, you can see the difference in variation in color across the back of it here. Gonna have to do a couple coats for sure. Now we did it. We finished painting. Brought one of the countertops out.
Yeah.
We're getting ready to pull one of the other countertop out for this one. But first we need to put the LED holders on and the LED lights on.
So I forgot, I didn't realize that it came with like lights. It's got like ground effects.
Oh yeah.
On the bottom.
LEDs.
Yeah.
I'm confused about it though, because what are the extra wires for?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, we could hook up like hook up a little Raspberry Pi to it.
And do what?
We could do little dances.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that'd be fun. Should I do it?
I mean, I have a feeling we're not going to do that, but it's nice that we could. All right, yeah, so it's all painted. It does look a lot nicer painted. It looks more like done, like put together.
Yeah, like finished.
Yeah, finished. That's the word. So this is going to go up against this wall over here, and then this will go in front of it like parallel.
Yeah, like 4 feet out.
Yeah. Now at the place though, I'll put a picture in. They had it set up like an L shape.
Oh yeah.
But I think we're gonna do like.
We're gonna do like an equal sign.
Yeah. I think it's gonna feel a lot like better that way. I think.
Yeah.
So it's not covering, because behind us this way is the screen enclosure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the door's over there too.
Yeah, that'll go where this pad is. Right there. All right, so the bar top is like in place, and then they're placing the part where the grill would be. And then Tim was saying that it took 3 coats of paint to paint this thing.
1.5 gallons of paint.
That's wild, it's so little.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Just
Yeah, it looks really good though. And as a little treat, we got some Jersey Mike's subs.
I'm gonna eat 3 of them.
Oh no. I just had it for the first time like not too long ago, and I didn't realize how delicious they are.
Very good.
Yeah, look how sweaty you are. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the shirt is completely soaked.
Yeah, but it's like starting to dry up because I'm dehydrated now.
Oh no, drink some water. All right, what are you doing?
I'm inside.
How did you fit in there?
It's pretty hard.
Is that the small one? That is the small one.
This is the small one.
Oh
yeah.
no.
I'm just screwing the top down right now.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I have the perfect cover from the rain.
Is this gonna be okay to get rained on?
Yep.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh no, is this wet still? No.
Exciting.
Yeah, so the foot rail is on too. I didn't even notice. Wow.
Goes all the way.
Nice. I don't even understand how you got in there.
Magic.
Yeah. All right. You coming out?
I think so.
Okay. You need my help? I don't know what to do.
I'm stuck.
You want me my hand?
No.
Okay.
I just need to make sure that this cabinet doesn't tip over on me.
Okay.
That's all.
All right, I'm pushing it.
No, thank you. Ooh. This and everything. It's a big show.
I'm sorry. I couldn't see anything.
It's like that Housewives episode where they went on the whitewater rafting tour.
Oh no.
Na-na-na-na-na, you say it's your birthday.
Whose birthday?
I don't know. Somebody said it was their birthday.
Tell us
I'm
the
sure of
birthday.
it. Is it your birthday? Happy birthday.
Like, statistically.
It has to be at least one of you.
Yeah.
Somebody's birthday is today. What is it? It's July 25th. Happy birthday, July 25th. What'd you do? Did you get a cookie cake?
Oh yeah. That was like a deep cut.
You guys remember when I used to get entire cookie cakes and just eat them? Living the life. So, with the grill outdoor kitchen area, didn't get as far as I would have liked to have gotten today. I did get pretty far. I wish I was able to level the cabinet that's up against the house where the grill is actually going. I didn't, but at least I got the hole cut for the plumbing. It's in place, it's where it's going. I just need to level it and just start putting stuff in, and then it'll be done. And all we need to do now is have the screen closure put in.
I can't believe it.
And then we'll be done.
So after a long, hard day of that, we're eating Chipotle for dinner.
That's true.
What's your Chipotle order?
Mine?
Yeah.
Chicken, black beans.
They have more than one chicken now.
I just say chicken
It's gotten,
and let fate decide.
it's gotten like so complicated.
So I do chicken, black beans, white rice, mild salsa, cheese, guac. That's it. Simple.
I do the veggie. I don't know, for whatever reason, I can't eat Chipotle's meat anymore. It always makes me so sick.
Yeah.
Like it doesn't, I think it's just greasy. Like it's very delicious. I love the way it tastes. I love the barbacoa, but it just makes me sick every time.
Yeah.
So,
sick. Do a kickflip.
Not in a good way.
Oh.
And then I top it with my very own hot sauce. Because I don't really like their hot sauce that they have there.
Okay.
But delicious. Also, are you the kind of person that eats your Chipotle like in a layer? Like, you know what I mean? Like where you go like down and take a bite? Or do you mix yours up?
What?
Because you mix yours up.
Oh yeah, I mixed mine up. This is mine right here.
But I...
Looks like it's got noodles. Look at that cheesy noodles.
But I do it like, you know what I mean? Does that make sense?
You leave it the way that they make it and you just
Yeah.
kind of like scoop into it.
Yeah.
Like a 7-layer dip.
Exactly. That's exactly what it is. Because I also got chips. Chipotle does have really good chips though. But we got our first email back from the people that we're working with to do our new merch.
Yeah.
It looks so good, you guys.
It looks awesome.
It's like, it's so cute. I can't wait. I'm like so excited. And we're going to be going through a different like shirt manufacturer, I guess, shirt printer.
Yeah.
And I can't wait to see everything. So I would like to get the pieces for us first before we like put it out for everybody to see.
Right.
Because I just want to make sure the quality is really good.
Yeah.
But I cannot wait for you guys to see it. I can't wait to wear it.
Yeah.
Is it like cool to wear your own merch?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do it.
Me too.
I'm very excited.
You know what sometimes happens to me that stinks? Today, I was working on those kitchens out there. Painted them to match the house. And did it, put everything away, and then came inside and realized, oh, I got new coach lights for the outside of the house. And I need to take the old coach lights out and paint behind them because the painters didn't take the lights off to paint.
Oh yeah.
Very common thing for them to do. But the new coach lights have a smaller plate behind them to cover the hole. So there's definitely like going to be a paint difference underneath the lights.
That's exactly what I said to him when he's like, normally you just go with something bigger.
I didn't do that.
But like,
I went with something smaller, sleeker, more modern. All right. Oliver's in his little bouncy chair. Look at him go. Show me how fast you can go. Boom, 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 boom.
whoa, look at those legs.
What are you doing?
I'm making dinner. This is the longest dinner ever.
Oh, you're making dumplings.
So what I'm making is
Whoa.
these
Silly
mushroom
noises.
scallion dumplings with
Ooh.
a kimchi salad.
That looks
With,
delicious.
kale and kimchi salad. The salad actually tastes delicious. But so I'm making my dumplings now. Let me show you.
Oh, you're almost done too.
Almost.
Yeah? You telling everybody? You saying, hey, look at me. I can bounce. I'm doing good.
Let me show you. This is come look at the inside. This is what it looks like.
Ooh. Looks
So
pretty
it's-
okay.
Mushroom, scallion, kimchi, carrots. What else? Garlic. That's the other thing. So it says to put a scant tablespoon on my wrapper.
Mmm.
And then
I like that they use the word scant.
So I put a little water on the outside.
Yeah.
And then...
Just pinch it on closed.
And there you go. I'm sure I could make these look a lot nicer, but this is just what they told me to do in the instructions.
Oh no, this one needs to be squished right here.
Uh-oh. I get a
Squish.
little water. On there. There we go. Okay. So yeah, so I'm almost done. This takes forever. Like, this makes me have a newfound... Not that I didn't respect people that made dumplings before, but now I really, really respect them. Because this is hard. And
Yeah.
It takes a long time.
But you're doing it.
And we're gonna eat this in like 5 seconds. This is like a labor of love, and we're gonna eat it so fast.
Yeah. What are we talking about?
All right, here's a look at Tim's plate. I had to cook them separately because there was too many dumplings for one pan. So I've got my kimchi mayo. Oh no, this baby. I think he's ready. I gotta feed him. I gotta feed Tim too. I gotta feed everybody. So there's the kale salad, the dumplings, the kimchi mayo. Looks really good.
What are you singing? You said baby brother chow bacalao? I like it. So we're watching Rosie's Rules. So a little bit of Spanish in there. I don't know what that means though. Do you know what it means? What does bacalao mean? Let's look it up. All right. It's a silly kids thing that you say, and it's like buy codfish. He says donada empanada. Oh yeah, it's like Cockney rhyming slang, but it's Spanish. This is my dinner. Ooh, look at them. Look at those. Look at the texture on there. Look at it glisten in the light. And then there's supposed to be kimchi on top of this salad, but I opted against it because I can't handle spice in my old age. But yeah, look at it. It's beautiful. Yummy. I'm very excited to try it. All right, I opened one up so we can see inside of it. It looks really nice. I haven't eaten one yet, but I saw what it looks like on the inside. I'm gonna try it first without the kimchi mayo. Well, that's good. Let's see it with the kimchi mayo. Uh-oh, it opened up. Oh no.
Kimchi?
Kimchi. Even better with the kimchi mayo. Ooh, that's delicious. Wow. That really makes it. Not spicy at all. Just delicious. I don't know why. So it's the next day. But my little brain works in silly ways.
My little brain.
My tiny little brain, for whatever reason, when I turned on the camera, popped into my head. Light 'em up, up, light 'em up. And I don't know why.
Huh.
Yeah,
Halloween Horror Nights?
Maybe.
They play that like during some of the HHN shows.
Yeah.
Which, by the way, HHN starting soon.
Soon.
Very exciting. Yeah, very exciting. Exciting
Yeah.
stuff. But we forgot to tell you what we thought about those dumplings.
They were very delicious.
They were very, like, it took so long to make them, but they were so good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I enjoyed it. I didn't enjoy making them. I enjoyed eating them.
I enjoy eating everything you've ever made.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You are a fantastic chef.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh. It's because I have a tiny little rat under here.
Well, I thought you were going to give me a compliment about something.
You're also good at cooking.
Thanks. I make waffles for Jackson in the morning. They're toaster ready, so I just pop them in the toaster.
Yeah.
But I have a special way of doing it. Like I have to, you know how your toaster says like, turn it to here for toast, like a toaster oven.
Yeah.
I don't turn it to there. I turn it to 350.
Your breath smells like peanut butter.
I had some peanut butter.
Oh.
I also haven't brushed my teeth yet this morning.
Oh, no.
Don't tell anybody. Yeah, because I've been running in the morning with Jackson.
Mm-hmm.
So I put him in the stroller and I run with him. Our stroller's not good for running, so it's very difficult to do.
Oh, no.
But I am out running because I did sign up for a 10K marathon weekend.
Yes.
I'm scared because I've been doing a 5K and it's hard.
I think it'll be okay. Because you don't have to run the whole thing. When I did the 10K, I'll link the video down below, but I did the Star Wars 10K like years ago. And it was, I ran for 30 seconds and I walked for 30 seconds and I ran for 30 seconds. And it made it just easier to see some of the characters, but also just made it easier on me.
Okay.
Because I'm not a runner. But I also did want to mention that we are getting ready for a little staycation today.
Yeah.
So we're leaving today. We need to pack. We need to clean up the house a little bit. And I'm excited.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not a Disney thing, but it is going to be like a fun summer fun thing.
Oh, fun summer.
Yeah,
I like that.
I do too.
So, and you guys know it's been hot down here.
Yeah.
Hot. With a capital H and a capital T. Little O.
Little O.
But I bought something that I'm interested to try. I want to show it to you.
yeah. All right, what'd you get? Ooh, what's that noise?
What's that noise? There's a fan going.
Oh yeah, you got a fan. It blows right up your shirt.
It goes right up my back.
Look at that.
Yeah. So this is it.
Whoa.
And actually, it's pretty.
Pretty powerful.
Look at that.
Yeah.
How powerful it is. It also comes with like a necklace that you can hook to it, so it can just sit right here too.
Mm-hmm.
It blows right in your face. But yeah, I'm interested to try this because, as you all know, I got that like ridiculous shirt, right?
Oh yeah.
Shiny shirt. And it's supposed to reflect the sun. But what happens is, I feel like I'm in a Jamiroquai music video.
Oh, sorry. I needed to find the best lighting.
But what happens is, because it's long sleeve, I feel like it kind of holds the heat in a little bit. So like when I go into the shade, it's still kind of hot.
Yeah.
But that's because the idea is the evaporative quality of like your sweat. So the shirt holds your sweat, evaporates quickly. The fan will help that, speed it up. Plus that when I go into air conditioning, it'll like suck in some air conditioning, blow it up my back.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Oh, and then we were just talking about, so in the beginning of this video, you guys saw that we got the grill out there. It's painted, it's in its place. It's not quite finished, but it's finished enough that they're going to start the screen enclosure this week. Yeah, so we're going to show you more of the home improvement stuff that's going on. It's not today, not in today's vlog.
Not today.
In the next home vlog.
We can show you the fans that we got.
Oh yeah.
So we got the Slinger V2 from Fanimation, 72-inch ceiling fan, 2 of them.
Fanimation, I like that.
Yeah, it's gonna cost us $6 a year to run.
Whoa.
If I run this thing, what does it say? 6.5 hours every day. It'll only cost me $6 a year to run.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I cannot wait to have an outdoor space with fans.
With big fans.
Oh, I'm so excited. It's gonna be so nice.
Yeah.
Can't wait to show you guys the finished product.
This is my One Direction like knockoff band.
Fan direction.
Fan Direction.
What'd you say, bud?
How to be my foot.
Where is it? Oh, what did you
Is he standing up on his little booty butt?
do? Let me see this car. Whoa, how'd you do that? It's like magic. What are you watching, buddy?
I think so.
Yeah, we're in love with trolls now.
Loves trolls.
Big fan of trolls.
By the way, great timing
Yeah.
because Universal is opening up a DreamWorks land, and the DreamWorks character happens to be
The trolls.
the Trolls.
Yeah.
And Captain Underpants.
Yeah.
And Gabby.
He loves Gabby's Dollhouse. Yeah.
So like, I think we're gonna be heading to Universal with Jackson.
I want to meet Keiki.
Keiki.
Yeah.
Well, that's what I said. I wanted to meet DJ Catnip.
Yeah.
I forgot his name in the vlog for a second. Jen probably cut that part out.
I did. I'm an editing magician.
Yeah. I was like, I do this thing where I can't remember anybody's name. Jen just edited the food and wine video, and I couldn't remember Mirabelle's name. I just blanked on it. I was like, her name is
Mirabelle.
Mirabelle. Yeah, that's what it was like. So that's how my little tiny brain works.
The other thing that I forgot to mention though is Oliver has his 4-month appointment today.
Oh.
So he's turning 5 months old next week, but the appointments keep getting pushed back a week.
Right.
So eventually we're gonna be like a month behind.
Right. That's what happened to Jackson.
Yeah, I don't know, so he has been 4 months old this entire time, but this is the only time that we could get the appointment. The appointments are hard to come by.
Right.
So 4-month appointment today. We're gonna find out how much he weighs, how tall he is, how he's doing. I'm very excited. We'll give you an update in the next home vlog, but he's doing great. Just from like my perspective, I'm not a doctor, but he's eating really well. He's got little chubby legs and little chubby arms.
Yeah.
He's got little chubby cheeks, little chubby
tall,
belly.
He's very long.
He's definitely a little chubby guy though.
He's
But
chubby.
he is long like Jackson was. He's happy. He seems very healthy. Of course, we'll find out. I don't know if he gets shots today.
Oh.
I totally don't remember if they get 4-month shots.
I don't know. We'll
So-
find out today.
Yeah, but yeah, I'm so excited. He's been doing great. He's sleeping right now. You'll see more of him in the next video though.
So, all in all, this was a fantastic few days.
We have to go pack though. Yeah, we haven't packed yet, and we leave in like 2 hours.
Oh no, that's too soon.
So we gotta go pack.
So, all in all, a fantastic few days. And with that being said, we are off. We'll see you all tomorrow. Now it's time to pay the price.